To add a Zelle recipient to your Wells Fargo account, start by opening the Wells Fargo website in your browser. Enter your username and password in the login form. Then click Sign On. Once you are logged in, locate the Send Money with Zelle option in the top horizontal menu under Transact Pay. Click on this option to proceed to the Zelle screen, where you will find the Add Recipient button. Click on it to access the Add Recipient form. In this form, you will need to fill in the recipient's first name, last name, and preferred name. Next, choose how you want to address the Zelle recipient, such as by email address. Fill in the corresponding field, in this case the email address, and then click Save. Once you have completed these steps, the Zelle recipient will be added to your account, and you can start sending money to them.